let the puppy love you?
Mm-hmm.
I want to show you.
No, stand up and then throw it on the ground. Then I'll make it play backwards for you. We'll do the fast. Okay, it's on. Not your phone. Okay, now throw something. It's not your phone. Wow, we suck at recording. Do something bigger. Like this.
Drop down.
No, just throw it across the room.